Hi, today we are going to discuss about how to do keyword research. There are variety of ways to research a keyword, but right now we are using SEMrush for keyword research. So I will just go to your screen and let's just search web development in USA, and we will use our countries for which we want to rank for. In my case, I am choosing Australia and we will click search. Here you can see it's showing only 10 searches on Australia, but the global volume in India it's showing 140, for Pakistan 90, for United States 90, and other. So here we are showing the keyword variations. Here you can see all the keyword variations. Here you can see questions. But let's now say that we just want to search for web development. That's and quite generic keywords, so it's having a good volume of 3.6 thousand searches per month and keyword difficulty levels 57 difficulty. That means that it's going to take a lot more efforts to rank for this keyword. And if we talk about your global volume, here it is 1.9 million. From United States, it's getting 1.5 million searches. From India, it's 90,000. From Germany, it's now 49,000. And as you can see, and you can also see the intent is commercial. So this tell all about that the searchers, the audience which are searching for web developments is commercial intent. Here you can see the keyword clusterization, keyword variation, keyword strategies, questions, and for now we are going to see all the keywords. So yeah, here you can see as web development we are 3600, at web development agency we are 2400, and so on. And here is the KD, keyword difficulty. Well, this is the first way of searching, but now we are going to apply some filters, and from volume we will choose 1 to 1000, and from keyword difficulty we are going to search going on very easy. And this is all. You can see that you can rank on all of these keywords with just writing an SEO optimized content. So this is a method for doing keyword research. And there is another method for your keyword research, which I am showing to just go to your new browser and write web development and yeah, and 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 just scroll down, and here you can also see people also are search for. These are also your keywords which you can use for writing your blog or designing a landing page or a service page. Here you can see. And in the AI overview, people also ask you might consider adding these questions to your content when you are writing for a keyword or a landing page or a service page. So that is pretty much it. Uh, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and goodbye.